I'm Liz and I live in Pontypool. I knew for a long time that I wanted to foster. I've always loved children. When I was a little girl, if someone asked me what I wanted to be, I'd say a mother. Of course, this isn't what the teachers wanted to hear at the time. I started looking into it when my own daughter, Jade, went to school. I've been fostering for 4 years now. I'm a full-time carer, but I have lots of support from my family and friends. I chose to foster with my local authority. It felt right to be able to help local children. My local authority fostering team see fostering as a way of life. It's not about making a profit, it's about making a difference, helping local children in need and giving them a house full of life, love and laughter. I get so much support and training from them. My supervising social worker is fantastic. There's always a support group or an activity to get involved in. We're like one big extended family. When I first looked into fostering, I knew I wanted to take on siblings together. I didn't want to split them up. I also knew that I wanted them to stay here for a long time to have stability for them and also for Jade. Jade and I welcomed Leah and Abigail into our family over 3 years ago now. We make a great team and help them to be a part of our family as well as keep them in contact with their own family. For anyone thinking about fostering, I say just go for it. Fostering children changes the way you think of the world. It opens your eyes to other people's lives. It's changed me as a person. I'm doing something good by helping children right on our doorstep, giving these children a safe and secure home. It's the best thing I've ever done. I would do it all over again.